Our model, Rachel. Rachel's a bartender, so she's very open-minded, guys, when it comes to her hair and her style. Doing something a little bit different where we actually are going to show you the end product on the bottom right, guys, is to balance out that red. We want to leave the copper and the blonde behind. We'll remove the red, but we love the way, the richness of the 8RC. So just a little bit of the 8 double ash to get in there to keep the base the same at level 8, yet going in there to remove. Now, I want you to remember that permanent color and lightener do not function the same. Although we use processing with peroxide, guys, or with developer on each of these color types, they don't process the same. Permanent color has a shutoff time. So you really think about utilizing permanent color instead of lightener in some choices. Going in, guys, after we're processing reductions, guys, about an inch and a half thick. And now I'm being mindful to drop the hair, the darker hair or the uncolored hair on top of the previous lightening. So you'll notice this brick lay or the alternative sections right above it will be light. So it's like this alternating brick lay pattern. And this is especially important for a fro because the color needs to be big to showcase on a fro, in my opinion. You can put, you know, small pencil, you know, thin highlights inside of a fro, but it'll just look like it's sparkling versus really seeing these thick, bold, chunky highlighters. But this is super fun, and guys, you should be able to utilize this and recreate this in your salons ASAP because color clients are coming. They're asking for change, and you want to be prepared. So cool things down or neutralize or natural some things. Do all of those things prior to the actual finish. Guys, I'm using the Sabella products today. Absolutely love what they're doing at Sabella. Love the argan and olive moisture. Love the strength conditioner. Going to be using that mask at the end. I am a huge fan, guys. Almost a cult following with these products, as well as their actual styling cream. So this is fresh out of the steamer curls, back super soft. We know we did a little work with that hair color, so we wanted to love on it for a good 15 or 20 minutes with that hair mask. Guys, let me know if I can answer any questions on Sabella products. They've got some amazing things going over there. Use your choice. And then we went in, guys, with a styling cream all the way throughout and just took the dryer, tilted her head over in front of the chair and just got it as big as we can. Put on an outfit, kind of ran that copper, trying to find the most contrasting colors outside, the green bushes and the copper, right, or copper undertone hair and golds, which is the perfect accent to really show all of the different dimensions, the light hitting it. She was really, really digging it. Coast Curly Naturals are out there and they are ready for color. Guys, this is easy. This is easily bare minimum $150 to $200 hair color without even styling. Throughout single process, customized, chunky blonde balayage hand painted, no foils, no extra materials. You can utilize the back of your hand as a paddle. Truly organic, natural, artistic hair color, guys. Please utilize this and tag me in it.